The name says it all. Established in 2017 through a public-private partnership between Auburn University and NASA, the National Center for Additive Manufacturing Excellence, or NCAME, is a founding partner of the ASTM International Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence, which aims to close additive manufacturing standards and workforce gaps. Thanks to world-class facilities and state-of-the-art equipment housed in the Gavin Engineering Research Laboratory, NCAME has drawn millions in grants from the U.S. Army, the Federal Aviation Administration, NASA, Lockheed Martin, the National Science Foundation, and many other government organizations for fundamental and applied multidisciplinary research crucial to the widespread AM integration necessary for modernizing national defense, for aerospace amelioration, and for enhancing Industry 4.0 environments. Structural integrity, fatigue and fracture, failure analysis, microstructural characterization, laser material interaction, multi-scale simulations, NDT and in situ monitoring, thermal characterization, data analytics, design, and cyber-physical security, all are in the realm of NCAME's expertise, but that expertise extends beyond the lab. The center also serves as a nucleus for advancing AM knowledge transfer technology by supporting and organizing international conferences, workshops, and networking events for academia, government, and industry, promoting AM solutions across multiple sectors. Today's world needs additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing needs NCAME.